Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Sunday, February 23rd when I'm filming this. My son has been on winter break and off of school the past 10 days, so it's been a long week and a half. I actually did not get the chance to go to a grocery store for more than like just a couple items, so I did have to get quite a bit today. This haul was $155, which is a bit more than I normally spend at Walmart in one trip. But I had to get stuff for back to school tomorrow, back to work, back to our normal routine. So $155 at Walmart. I got the honey bunches of oats, honey roasted cereal. My husband eats this sometimes in the morning, and I actually like it dry because I don't like milk. So I sort of eat it like trail mix style. We got some penne pasta, some of the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning because I'm going to do like a Cajun pasta dish this week, some tomatoes, some Cheez-It extra toasty, fettuccine noodles for that Cajun pasta dish, shredded iceberg. I like this on sandwiches. I got the steamer sweet potatoes for a side. Some of these off the eaten path Veggie Puffs in the spicy cheddar. I've had these once before. They're really, really good. They have like a peppery veggie cheddar taste. I'm actually going to bring these to work and leave them there for an option for snacking at work. I also got this beer can chicken seasoning because this is a recipe we wanted to do on our barbecue grill for a long time. Right now, with it being almost March, we're maybe about a month out from starting to be able to grill temperature-wise, but I did want to get this, so I had it as a reminder to make sure I had the chicken when we get closer to being able to grill, which is usually in March we start getting the grill out. So I'm excited for that. My friend Christy has been telling me about these for a couple months now. They're the Great Value brand Crinkle-Cut batter mixed French fried potatoes. They were super cheap, like $1 something. I just kept forgetting to pick them up, but I did remember today, so I'll let you guys know how these are. I'm sure they're good if she recommends them. I got a garlic Parmesan wing seasoning mix for wings this week. I grabbed a organic half and half because we use it for, I'm going to use it for the Cajun pasta dish. And I also like to have it because if I make like my son mac and cheese or something, when certain people come over, they like half and half in their coffee. So I always like to have a small container in the house. I got some pastaroni, garlic, and olive oil vermicelli as like a side. Some chocolate chip Teddy Grahams for my son. Some C-Pack jumbo coconut shrimp. I can get, since it's just me and my husband that will eat this, we can get 2 separate dinners out of this. On the side, I just make a veggie and a starch, like a potato or a rice or something. We are trying this Passionfruit Cranberry Ocean Spray Juice. This is, I am so excited. You have no idea how excited I was to find these at my Walmart. I have been looking for these online and in every grocery store. So a few months ago, I had a Home Chef box with this skillet gnocchi in it. It was so good. I literally could not stop thinking about it, and I could not find it anywhere. Online I looked. I even was willing to pay for it online to be shipped like in a cold pack. Could not find it. Today I was in the sort of deli section and I saw it. I grabbed 2 bags. Honestly, I didn't even look at the price. I know that's terrible, but I didn't even look at the price because I was so excited. If I were to guess, I think it was around like $3 to $4. These are amazing. If you like gnocchi, I'm telling you, if you see these, get them. First of all, we love the Rana brand. We get their tortellini and ravioli sometimes. It's like a fresh variety, not frozen, so it's refrigerated. This skillet gnocchi is delicious. It's so crispy. First of all, you don't boil it. You literally make it right in the skillet with no water. It has like a crispy, if you can see in the picture, crispy texture, but it's soft inside. I love this. Next time I go to Walmart, I'm literally going to get 2 more, even if I still have one of these left, because they are that amazing. So I got 2 of those. I got some Simply Potato hash browns because I want to do hash brown casserole this week. One night. I haven't had it in a while and I love it. I'll link that recipe down below. Very excited about this. This is the Adele's Cajun style andouille sausage. It was like a huge pack. I've never seen this in this size at my Walmart before. Usually I see them like in just one of these, but this was like a bulk pack. It was a little on the pricey side. I think it was like $12, but you're getting 2. So I'll freeze one, and then one I'm going to use for that Cajun style pasta that I keep mentioning. This brand also makes a lot of different chicken sausages, but I'm just not a fan of chicken sausage. I don't know why, but I've heard the chicken sausage is really good. Like there's a pineapple one that I hear about a lot. So if you see this brand, check it out if you like chicken sausage. I'm just not a huge fan. But yeah, this will be great for 2 full meals for us. I'm going to freeze 1/2. Okay, moving on. I also got this pot roast seasoning mix. I was looking for beef stew mix, but I couldn't find it because I got beef, which you'll see in just a minute. So I'm going to do like a beef stew pot roast type of crock pot meal this week. Here is the other skillet gnocchi, aged Swiss for my husband's sandwiches. Green beans for a quick side this week. We love the market side green beans. They're so good. We got the Hormel Natural Choice hard salami. Some bell peppers for the Cajun pasta, plus we eat a lot of peppers in general. I got a big head of cauliflower for roasting, some bananas for smoothies, and my son likes bananas every once in a while. I got the beef meat for the pot roast. I already have celery, carrots, and potatoes, so that'll be a quick crock pot dish that I can throw together on a lunch break when I come home from work. I got some Choi Bani flips. I got apple crisp twist for my husband's lunches and s'mores flavor. I also got Great Value breakfast sandwiches for my husband's sandwiches in the morning sometimes. Here are the chicken wings to go along with the garlic Parmesan. I got some triple cheddar cheese. I like to keep shredded cheddar all the time in the house because we use it for a multitude of different things. Some cinnamon vanilla cream coffee made for my husband's coffee. I usually use the sugar-free Italian sweet cream. I got honey wheat bread from Sara Lee, a large bag of the Lay's Classic. We love those. Goldfish, because we still have some, but I like to never run out of these. They're my son's favorite snack for sure. Some Capri Sun Roaring Waters. We all like these. I pack these in my husband's lunches. I like to grab them every once in a while, and my son likes them too. Some plain Pringles. My son will only eat the plain. He will not eat any of the flavors. And then I did get these Polar Diet half and half, like grapefruit and lemon sodas for myself. I buy these every once in a while, and I love them. They are so tasty. I got Yingling beer for my husband to throw in our beverage cooler, and I also got this White Claw variety pack. I've never had this flavor pack before. It's lemon, mango, watermelon, and tangerine. Usually I get the one that has like black cherry, grapefruit, raspberry, and I can't remember the other flavor. Maybe it's lime. But that is everything I picked up to get us through the upcoming week. Just stay tuned and I'm going to share my meal plan. All right, meal plan for the upcoming week. If there's noise in the background, I apologize. The washer's going and the dishwasher's going. So tonight, actually, I'm going to do the Cajun style pasta with the fettuccine noodles, the andouille sausage, some veggies, and then kind of make up my own little sort of spicy and creamy sauce. I'm going to do the garlic parm chicken wings one night. I do those in the oven with the green beans that I purchased from Walmart. I'm going to do hash brown casserole with those Simply potatoes. I have all the ingredients for them, and I'll link that recipe down below. It's a really easy side for breakfast or dinner. I'm going to do that beef stew in the crock pot with a salad and bread. I just have a little note to remind myself to put it in the crock pot on lunch break when I come home. One night I'm going to do that skillet gnocchi. I have question marks because I don't know yet what I'm going to do it with as far as what kind of sauce, what I'm going to add in. I'm probably not going to add anything in as far as like meat or even veggies. I just like it the way it is with some kind of sauce. But I just haven't figured out yet what I'm going to do. It could be like a creamy pesto. It could be garlic parmesan. It could be just simple like olive oil and spices. I'm going to look up some recipe ideas, and then I'll do a simple salad on the side. I have English muffins in my freezer downstairs, so I'm going to thaw those out. And I'm going to do English muffin breakfast sandwiches one night for dinner. I've got sausage patties from Aldi. I'll do some fried eggs and cheese. And then I'll do some hash brown patties on the side. So like a breakfast sandwich dinner with hash browns. For our no meat night, I'm going to do a veggie fried rice. I've just got some basmati rice I'll use. Whatever veggies I need to use up, which is perfect to clean out my produce drawer towards the end of the week. And then I'm going to do some kind of like an Asian style salad. So like a tossed salad, and I'll add in like some Asian elements. I've got some peanut dressing, and I'll add in like shredded carrot, cabbage maybe. I've got mandarin oranges. I'll just do sort of a wing it type of Asian style salad. I always have my freebie night every week, which is when I can either do leftovers, take out, Sometimes we just do simple, like convenience foods, like we might have a frozen pizza with a salad or soup and salad. It just gives me a little bit of leeway for the week. But anyways, this is a meal plan. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday with a new video.